In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Figma map draggable and zoomable. Open your design in Figma and get a high-resolution map image using a plugin such as Figmap or Mapsicle. High resolution matters because we'll be scaling the map and a crisp source keeps things sharp when you zoom in. Insert the map image onto your canvas, then create a frame that matches your target device or layout, like an iPhone preset or a desktop size. Place the map image inside that frame. If the image is sitting on top of the frame, just drag it into the frame in the Layers panel so it's nested properly. Next, resize the map so it's significantly larger than the frame, extending well beyond all edges. Think of the frame as your window and the oversized map as the content you want to explore. Making it larger is what allows you to drag in any direction without hitting a hard edge immediately. Hold Shift while scaling to keep the proportions consistent. With the frame selected, switch to the Prototype tab on the right-hand panel. Under Overflow scrolling, choose both directions. This tells Figma that the content inside the frame can be panned horizontally and vertically during a prototype. Click Present to preview. Then click and drag on the map. You should be able to move it freely in every direction, just like a real map viewer. To make the map zoomable, duplicate the entire frame you just set up. On this second frame, scale up the same map image to create a zoomed-in view. Keep the focal point consistent by positioning the enlarged map, so the area of interest stays centered. That way, the zoom feels intentional and smooth. Now add the interaction. Go back to the first frame, stay in the Prototype tab and select your frame. Like a plus icon on that frame. Drag a connection to the second zoomed-in frame. Set the trigger to on click or tap, the action to navigate to, and the animation to Smart Animate with ease out at 300 milliseconds. Smart Animate ensures the map scales and shifts smoothly between frames. Based on layer positions, click Present again and test it. Then click the frame to see the animated zoom take effect. That's it. Thanks for watching.